Hello, it's me again. I hope you're enjoying the virtual exhibition of ECOC 2020. In this presentation, I would like to give an overview of our interconnect test solutions. We are considered the global leader in interconnect test solutions. We support a very broad variety of MSAs and form factors from CFP2, CFP4 to QSFP, QSFP-DD, OSFP, and also SFP, DD, and DSFP. The types of interconnects that we support are module compliance boards for testing of transceivers, AOCs, and DECs, host compliance boards for the testing of host ports, and loopback thermal loads for system testing. A module compliance board comes with a software interface that allows you to read and write commands, allows you to load custom memory maps to your transceiver. It also provides access to all the high-speed transmitter and receiver signals. It has a bunch of controls, like you can customize the voltage control, you have access to current sensors and temperature monitors to really control and validate the transceiver. Host compliance boards are a little bit simpler. They're basically just a fixture to provide access to the high-speed transmitter and receiver signals. So let's talk a little bit about loopbacks. So what is the best way to validate the proper operation of your system port? If you plug in a transceiver, is it recognized? Is the CMOS compatible? Is the signal integrity sufficient? Or can your system support the intended thermal and power load? So basically, we developed loopbacks or thermal loads that are emulating the more costly optical transceivers. So what is inside is a loopback from the transmitter to the receiver to test the signal integrity. The housing is completely MSA compatible, and it has programmable power dissipation. So depending on your technology, it could be 8 watts, 12 watts, or 30 watts for the 800G interconnects. That is programmable. And the loopbacks are fully customizable to completely emulate the data center interconnect that you're using in your system. And we actually go a little bit further. We call our loopbacks smart loopbacks because they're so powerful and have a very rich feature set that enable you to test your product. Of course, it's completely MSA compatible. It's programmable with programmable memory pages. It also gives you access to the low speed signals. You can detect the control signals, and you can even force alarm signals to emulate a certain condition. As you can see on the right, there's a bunch of different variants with temperatures sensors, voltage sensors, different kinds of displays to really see what is happening in your system. So very powerful, hence the name smart loopbacks. We mentioned already that the next generation of speeds is around the corner. So this is 800G, and it's really based on a single channel of 112 gigabits per second. So here's an overview of all the solutions that we have already available. It's the MCBs, the HCBs, and also loopbacks for the different standards. So this is like QSFP 400G, 4 lanes of 112 gigabits per second, and 8 lanes for QSFP DD 800 and OSFP 800 as well. We even have the loopbacks that can be programmed up to 30 watts of power dissipation to really stress test your system. Thank you very much for your attention, and please do not hesitate to reach out to us for a more in-depth conversation about your testing needs and how our interconnect test solutions can help you do your job. Thank you very much.